Wednesday, May 13, 2026. Just checking a couple things. Just checking a couple things. I wasn't checking a whole lot. Obviously the engine running, but I just finished having them do an oil change on the semi on my truck. So I just was making sure everything was capped back together, nothing loose, nothing hanging. Cause I'm about to make one of those big trips again, as usual. Going up to Pennsylvania. Doing another pickup here at Jacksonville, Florida, and then going up to Pennsylvania. So going way up to Pennsylvania. So just checking. Yeah, and I just want to add, thank goodness that I'm a man that is resilient, a man that, even when, disagreements or miscommunication happens, I still grind hard, still get it done, type of man, maximum resilience, man, maximum, try my best, man, maximum, keeps grinding, keeps the place fed, gets it done, goes above and beyond, does the extra mile type man, checks on people, checks on them, Yes, there was a mistake. As far as mentioning something from a long time ago, from 8 years ago, accidentally mentioned something, but my intention was sincerity, and it was just trying to show that growth, show how far I came, how far unbelievably amazing that I came. And somehow it was just so difficult, very difficult situation, tricky, very difficulty, very, it was just difficult. But just checking on the truck, checking everything. Once again, this Wednesday, May 13, 2026. Grateful I'm still a man that's still resilient, goes and tries to get it done, still going way out, different parts of the U.S., alone, don't matter, still packs up and goes, gets it done, still keeps food on the table, still grinding, man. King Rick, man, grateful, still pushing myself. I find the strength, man, resilient, man. Only was trying to sincerity, man, thoughtful things that I do, man. Checking on care, checking on how going, checking on how doing, you know, love, care, concern, man, provider, grinding, passionate, you know, all these things, man, grinding. So it's again this Wednesday, May 13th, 2026.